I'm Tom from DIY Life Tech, and this is a look at the OXO Good Grips snack container. So this is great if you're packing a snack to bring to work for yourself or even for your kids to bring to school. We've got two different compartments in here. It's very solid plastic, BPA free, totally dishwasher safe, so it's super easy to clean out. We've got these two little compartments. You can put whatever you want in here. It's a good amount of space. And then we're gonna go ahead and put the lid on here. And you can see this lid has these little kind of gasket style seals. So it really seals everything in there nicely, keeps everything contained, even if there's liquids and that kind of thing in one section. So we're just gonna put this on the top, make sure that nothing's sneaking out the sides, and then these will actually lock down over the side. So we're gonna push that in, push these into the side, and it locks in place. And then you can see, even though I've got like that salsa in there, it's not gonna spill. It's nice and secure. Clear lid so you can see what's inside of it, and then you can just pop those open to be able to access it again. That's the OXO Good Grips snack container.